Before buying an incubator for quail eggs, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers complain about poor hatch rates and unclear instructions, but the right choice can make all the difference. Product number 1, UpDough 18 Egg Incubator. The first product on our list is the UpDough Egg Incubator, priced at $49.99. What caught my attention was its automatic egg-turning feature and adjustable intervals, which are essential for optimizing hatch rates. If you want a reliable incubator that can handle multiple egg sizes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The UpDough Incubator features gentle horizontal egg turning with customizable intervals of 1, 2, or 3 hours. This mimics a hen's natural behavior, which is crucial for embryo development. With a capacity of 18 chicken or up to 50 quail eggs, it also boasts precise temperature and humidity controls, instantly notifying you of any issues. This incubator has earned a solid 4.3-star rating from over 1,400 reviews, indicating that many users are satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the noise from the fan. Here's the thing though, while it might be bothersome for some, I found it to be a minor issue considering the overall effectiveness and the peace of mind it brings. If you can overlook a little noise, this incubator is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you're serious about hatching quail eggs or want a user-friendly option that provides solid results. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-quiet or have limited space. Now, if the size of the UpDough 18 Egg Incubator is too much for your needs, the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller batches. Product number 2, UpDough 12 Egg Incubator. Next up is another UpDough model, the 12 Egg Incubator, which retails for $43.99. This one caught my eye for its compact design and user-friendly interface. If you want an efficient incubator for smaller quantities, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this apart is its automatic egg turning every 2 hours, which mimics a hen's instinct. It has an advanced digital control system that displays real-time temperature and humidity, ensuring your eggs have the best possible environment. The 360 degrees transparent dome allows for easy monitoring without opening the lid, which helps maintain stable conditions. With over 1,400 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, many users appreciate its reliability. Now, some users mentioned that the temperature can fluctuate slightly. The hassle of constant manual checks is eliminated by its automation features. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to hatch smaller batches of quail eggs. Skip this one if you need something with a larger capacity or more advanced features. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something even more compact, the next product might fit your needs perfectly. Product number 3, Cottage 12 Egg Incubator. Coming in at $39.99, the Cottage 12 Egg Incubator is another great choice. Its automatic water replenishment feature really stood out to me. If you want to limit the hassle of manual refills, this could be the one. What makes the Cottage unique is its LED temperature display and adjustable humidity control. Its 360 degrees transparent cover not only looks cool, but also allows you to observe the process without opening the incubator. With a 4.4-star rating from over 300 reviews, users seem happy with its performance. Now, some buyers reported that it can be a bit small for larger eggs. But here's the thing, if you're strictly hatching quail eggs or smaller ones, this isn't a huge drawback. Just know that it might not accommodate bigger breeds as well. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that minimizes maintenance. Skip this one if you need a larger capacity or are planning to hatch bigger eggs. Now, if you want something that's a bit more robust, the next product might just be what you're after. Product number 4, IBK-INXX 12 Egg Incubator. Next, we have the IBK-INXX 12 Egg Incubator, priced at $34.19. This model really surprised me with its consistent temperature and humidity control features. If you're looking for reliability on a budget, this might catch your interest. What's cool about this incubator is its automatic egg turning system that mimics natural conditions, which is essential for hatching success. This is a game changer for maintaining humidity. With a 4.2-star rating and hundreds of units sold, lots of users appreciate its easy-to-clean design and effective monitoring. However, some users noted the lack of detailed instructions. But I'll be real with you, once you figure it out, it's pretty straightforward. It just might take a little patience at first. This is perfect for you if you prefer a simple, no-fuss incubator that gets the job done. Skip this one if you need extensive instructions or prefer a more sophisticated setup. Now, if you want something with a bit more capacity and features, the last product on this list is worth your attention. Product number 5, Harris Farms Nurture Right Incubator. Finally, we have the Harris Farms Nurture Right Incubator, priced at $137.93. This model stands out with its capacity to hold up to 22 eggs, making it ideal for those who want to hatch in larger quantities. If you're serious about egg hatching, this is definitely a contender. It also has a 360 degrees view and 360 degrees airflow, ensuring uniform heat distribution crucial for optimal hatch rates. With over 5,100 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many find it worth the investment. Some users reported that it's a bit pricier than simpler models. This is perfect for you if you're planning to hatch a larger number of eggs or want a high-quality incubator. Skip this one if you're only looking to hatch a few eggs or have a tighter budget. To wrap it up, we've looked at some fantastic options for incubating quail eggs. From the budget-friendly UPDO models to the more robust Harris Farms Nurture Right Incubator, each has its strengths. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Choose what fits your needs best and happy hatching.